Back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video. And in today's video it's about bank, and it's on how we guys can open yourself a Santander Bank account, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before that, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Now let's move on. First step, you want to search for open Santander Bank account online. After you search for it, click on the first option where it says personal checking account Santander Bank. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down and choose the type of account you want to open. So make sure you read the detail first. Once you click on open account, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can open yourself a Santander Bank account. And on that page, it's going to ask you for your name and your other details like where you live, your citizenship ID and all these other stuff. Make sure you fill up the form and provide the document. And after you provide all these information, basically a Santander Bank account should be created. So yeah, that's basically how to create yourself a Santander Bank account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.